Hey, good afternoon, recruiting world. This is Rob, and I wanted to give a video testimonial to my friend Katrina Kibben. And one, she is just a fantastic trainer about job descriptions. Here at Choctaw Nation, we have about 5,000 different hiring transactions a year, so we hire hundreds upon hundreds of people. And we were having a problem where we just weren't writing the quality of job descriptions that I thought we needed to attract the type of talent that we need to hit our business objectives. And we paid for Katrina to teach our team, and as a result, we've seen an improvement in the quality of our job descriptions. And I know for a fact we've actually had some really good quality candidates come in as a result. So we saw a really good before and after improvement in the quality of the writing as a result of her 1 and 2 hour training. So if you're considering making an investment in Katrina and bringing her on to help your team, I highly recommend it. And she's just absolutely fantastic. And have a great day.